Everything you have been told about getting rid of mosquitoes in your backyard is a lie. The tips you read online, the expensive candles you buy, and especially those lawn care trucks that drive through your neighborhood spraying massive clouds of chemicals. They are all part of a very specific, very profitable scam. And today, I am going to expose exactly how it works. If you are paying a company $60, $80, or even $150 a month to spray your yard, you are being robbed, period. Not only are you draining your bank account, but you are also actively destroying the honeybee population in your neighborhood, and you are exposing your dogs, your cats, and your grandchildren too. Synthetic neurotoxins that stay in your grass for weeks, and the worst part. The pest control industry knows that their expensive sprays only work for a few days. They are betting that you don't know the truth. But there are a group of people who have known the truth for generations. The Amish community has been using a completely different method to eradicate mosquitoes from their farmsteads. It costs exactly $17. It takes about 10 minutes to set up. It uses a biological Trojan horse that completely wipes out the next generation of mosquitoes before they can even fly, and it is 100% safe for honeybees, butterflies, and your pets. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build this Amish trap, where to place it, and how to permanently bankrupt your local pest control guy using a plastic bucket and a handful of dead grass. If you are tired of being eaten alive on your own back porch, do not skip a second of this video. This makes me furious every single summer. You step outside wanting to enjoy the beautiful patio you worked so hard to pay for, and within 2 minutes, you are covered in itchy, painful welts. So what do? You do what everyone does. You call the 1-800 number on the side of that shiny green truck. A guy in a uniform shows up with a massive hose and blankets your bushes, your trees, and your fence in a thick chemical fog. Usually it is a synthetic chemical called a pyrethroid, and sure, for about 3 days, you don't see any mosquitoes. You think it worked, but let me tell you what else happened during those 3 days. When a honeybee lands on the flowers that just got sprayed, she absorbs that pyrethroid into her nervous system. She carries it back to her hive, and it causes localized colony collapse. When your dog runs through the grass and licks his paws, he is ingesting it. And the kicker: the moment it rains, or the moment the sun breaks down those chemicals after a week, a brand new swarm of mosquitoes hatches, and you are right back to getting bitten. The pest control companies absolutely love this. They want you on a monthly subscription. They want you paying them $200 a summer, every summer, for the rest of your life. They treat the symptom, which is the flying adult mosquito, but they deliberately ignore the root of the disease. The Amish, on the other hand, do not have chemical companies on retainer. They do not have electric bug zappers. They rely on observing nature and outsmarting the pest at its source. You see, mosquitoes do not just magically appear out of thin air. Every single mosquito that bites you on your porch was born in standing water within 100 yards of your house. If you let standing water sit on your property for more than 4 days, you are running a free mosquito hatchery for your entire neighborhood. But the Amish didn't just drain the water. They figured out how to weaponize it. They realized that if you create the perfect, irresistible breeding ground, a counterfeit swamp, you can draw every pregnant female mosquito away from your house, trick her into laying her eggs in your trap, and then use a naturally occurring bacteria to ensure that not a single one of those eggs ever survives. So what is the secret? How do you poison a mosquito pool without poisoning the birds, the bees, and the pets that might drink from it? The answer was actually discovered in a desert pond in 1977, but it perfectly mimics the organic, natural balance the Amish have practiced for a century. It is a biological organism called Bt. The scientific name is Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis, but you don't need to remember that. All you need to know is that this is the greatest mosquito killer ever discovered by mankind. Bt is a naturally occurring soil bacterium. It is not a chemical. It is a living microorganism. And here is where the science gets absolutely incredible. Bt contains a very specific protein crystal. When a mosquito larva, that little wiggling worm that lives in the water before it grows wings, eats this bacteria, the protein reacts with the highly alkaline chemistry of the mosquito's stomach. It literally creates a hole in the mosquito's gut, killing it within 24 hours. But here is the miracle of Bt. It only activates in that exact specific alkaline environment. It only kills mosquito larvae, black fly larvae, and fungus gnats. If a honeybee drinks the water, nothing happens. If a butterfly lands on it, nothing happens. If a bird takes a bath in it, or your golden retriever slurps it up, their stomach acids instantly neutralize it like normal protein. It is completely 100% harmless to everything on Earth, except mosquitoes. This is the exact same product that governments drop out of airplanes over state parks and marshlands to control disease. They have been doing it for 40 years, so why isn't the guy in the uniform using it in your yard? Because a container of this costs about $17 at the hardware store, and it lasts all summer. If he tells you about this, he loses his job. Today, we are going to use BT to build the ultimate Amish mosquito trap. We are going to build this system in 5 simple steps, and I need you to follow these exactly, because if you get the placement or the colors wrong, the mosquitoes will ignore it. Step 1. Choosing your trap. You need a 5-gallon bucket, but color is absolutely critical here. You must use a dark-colored bucket. Black, dark green, dark brown, or even that bright orange bucket from Home Depot. Do not use a white bucket. Why? Because female mosquitoes are biologically programmed to seek out deep, dark, shaded pools of water to lay their eggs. They evolved in the woods, laying eggs in hollowed-out tree stumps and dark puddles. A bright white bucket reflecting the summer sun scares them away. A dark bucket looks like home. Step 2. Brewing the bait. Take your dark bucket and fill it about halfway with water. Rainwater from a barrel is perfect, but regular tap water is just fine. Now, we need to make this water smell irresistible to a hunting mosquito. Go out to your yard and grab a handful of dead grass clippings, some dry leaves, or a few small twigs. Drop them right into the bucket. You do not want a massive pile, just a good handful. As that organic matter begins to break down in the water, it starts to decay. This releases a very specific carbon dioxide and methane scent profile into the air. To a human, it just smells a little earthy, but to a female mosquito from 100 yards away, it smells like a 5-star maternity ward. You have just created a counterfeit swamp. Step 3. The kill switch. Now we arm the trap. Go to any hardware store, Lowe's or Tractor Supply, and go to the garden section. Look for a product called Mosquito Bits. It will cost you about $17. Inside the jug are thousands of tiny corn cob granules coated in that Bt bacteria we talked about. Take 1 heaping tablespoon of mosquito bits and sprinkle it right across the surface of the water in your bucket. Do not stir it. Do not mix it in. Just let it float on the surface. Over the next few hours, the Bt bacteria will release into the water. When the female mosquito comes to your bucket, drawn by the smell of the grass clippings, she will lay hundreds of eggs on the surface. Within 2 days, those eggs will hatch into larvae. The larvae will begin feeding on the organic matter in the water, and they will consume the Bt. Within 24 hours, every single one of them will be dead. Step 4. The placement. This is where people mess up and ruin the whole system. Never put this bucket on your patio. Never put it near your grill, and never put it near where your kids play. This bucket is designed to attract mosquitoes. You want to draw the enemy away from your camp. Walk at least 30 to 50 feet away from your house. Find a nice, shady spot underneath a bush, behind a shed, or tucked into the back of a flower bed. The shade keeps the water from evaporating too quickly and makes it even more appealing to the bugs. Now, if you put this bucket out in the open, the summer rain is going to fill it up and dilute your Bt. To prevent this, the Amish use a brilliant, simple modification. Take the lid that came with your bucket, grab for small wooden dowels, or even for sturdy sticks from your yard, about 4 inches long, screw them into the top rim of the bucket, and then rest the lid on top of the sticks. You have just built a little roof. The rain bounces off the top, but there is a 3-inch gap all the way around for the mosquitoes to fly in. It is a perfect weatherproof death trap. Step 5. Walking the line. You can have 3 of these buckets around your property, but if you ignore the rest of your yard, you will still get bit. Once a week, you must do what Amish farmers call walking the line. Take a walk around your house. Look for anything that holds water. The saucer underneath your potted tomato plant. The fold in the blue plastic tarp covering your firewood, the dog bowl that got left out in the rain, an old tire, a clogged gutter. A mosquito only needs a bottle cap full of water to lay 300 eggs. If you dump those saucers and shake out that tarp once a week, you are destroying thousands of mosquitoes for free. For the places you cannot dump, like a deep ditch at the edge of your property or a rain barrel by the sister product to Mosquito Bits called Mosquito Dunks, they look like little brown donuts. You just toss one into the ditch or the rain barrel once a month. It slowly dissolves, releasing the Bt, and keeps that standing water completely sterile and safe for 30 days. Now you might be thinking, does this really work as well as the chemical sprays? Let us talk about the results, because the math is going to make you smile and it's going to make the chemical companies cry. If you hire a spray truck, you are paying about $80 a month over a 5-month summer season. That is $400. And remember, that spray only kills the adults on contact. It does nothing to stop the thousands of eggs waiting to hatch in your gutters. When you deploy the Amish bucket system, you are spending $17 for a jug of mosquito bits that will literally last you 2 or 3 years. You sprinkle a new tablespoon into your bucket every 3 weeks. That is it. Within the first week, you will notice a massive drop in the mosquito population. Why? Because you have broken the generational cycle. The adults that are currently flying around will die of old age within a couple of weeks, but they are leaving absolutely no replacements behind. You are collapsing their population at the root. And the peace of mind is priceless. You can sit on your porch and watch the honeybees pollinate your flowers, knowing that your yard is completely safe. You can let your dog drink from a puddle without worrying about neurological toxins. You are working with nature, using a targeted biological tool instead of dropping a chemical nuclear bomb on your own property. But I know what you are asking right now. This takes care of the eggs and the larvae, but what about the adult mosquitoes that are already flying around my yard today? How do I stop them from biting me right now while the buckets do their work? I have you covered. We are going to over-deliver today because you deserve a backyard that is completely bite-free immediately. If you want to repel the adults without using synthetic pyrethroids, you need to use the power of heavy, concentrated essential oils. Now, I am not talking about a gentle lavender candle. I am talking about commercial-grade botanical warfare. You need to buy a pump-up garden sprayer, the kind you pump by hand and carry by a handle. Do not use the cheap bottles that attach to your garden hose. They put out way too much water and wash the oils away. Go online or to the hardware store and buy a natural mosquito repellent concentrate that uses real cedarwood oil, garlic oil, peppermint oil, and lemongrass. These oils are scientifically proven to mask the carbon dioxide coming from your breath, making you invisible to the mosquito's radar. Fill your pump sprayer with a few gallons of water, add the oil concentrate according to the bottle's directions, and shake it vigorously until the water looks like cloudy milk. Now, pay very close attention, because this is the mistake that ruins it for most people. Do not spray the air, and do not spray the tops of your flowers. Mosquitoes are incredibly weak flyers. During the heat of the day, they do not fly around. They hide, they go deep into your bushes, into your hedges, and underneath your deck, and they cling to the cool underside of the leaves to escape the sun. You want to take the wand of your sprayer, stick it deep into your bushes, and spray the underside of the foliage. Spray the wood lattice under your porch. Spray the dark, damp corners behind your shed. You are coating their resting places with a scent that paralyzes their sensory organs. But hear me on this. You must avoid spraying your blooming flowers. Even though peppermint and cedarwood are completely safe and non-toxic, honeybees hate the smell. If you spray a blooming rosebush with heavy cedar oil, the bees will refuse to land on it, and your flowers won't get pollinated. Keep the oil spray strictly to the green, structural bushes, the hedges, and the woodwork. And finally, if you want the ultimate old-school defense for when you are actually sitting at the patio table, skip the citronella candles. They are a gimmick. Instead, use the Amish smudge trick. Take a small heat-proof ceramic dish, place one little charcoal disc in the center, the kind you use for incense, light it, and then drop a handful of dried, crushed herbs right on top of the coal. Dried rosemary, sage, and mint from your kitchen pantry work miracles. As those dried herbs smolder, they release a thick, fragrant smoke that smells like a high-end kitchen. But to a mosquito, that herbal smoke is like tear gas. It scrambles their navigation. If you put that little smoking dish on the ground near your ankles, it creates a 10-foot invisible force field around your table. It costs pennies, it smells incredible, and it keeps the bugs far away while your buckets do the silent killing in the background. We have forgotten so much of the wisdom that our grandparents used to survive. We have been brainwashed into thinking that every problem requires a subscription fee, a plastic bottle, and a warning label from the Poison Control Center. But you don't have to play their game anymore. You have the knowledge now. Take 5 minutes this weekend to walk your property and dump out the standing water. Build your dark-colored decoy bucket. Toss in a handful of grass and a spoonful of BT. Set it out of sight and let nature do the heavy lifting for you. You are going to save hundreds of dollars this summer. You are going to protect the pollinators that keep our food supply alive. And you are going to take back your porch, your yard, and your freedom. If this video opened your eyes and helped you out, hit the like button right now. Share this specific video with a neighbor, because if they set up a bucket in their yard, it means even fewer mosquitoes in yours. Leave a comment down below and tell me exactly what your mosquito situation is like right now. I read every single one of them. I'm Dr. Jackma, and I'll see you in the next one. But before you go, what if I told you that the air conditioning industry is running the exact same kind of scam? In the 1970s, the Department of Energy proved that a $4 modification to your home's windows could drop the indoor temperature by 18 degrees during a heat wave. The study was quickly buried, and the HVAC companies rejoiced. In my next video, I am going to show you exactly how to perform this forgotten for dollar window hack and how you can cut your summer electric bill in half without sacrificing an ounce of comfort. You absolutely do not want to miss it. Click the video on your screen right now, and I'll see you there.